Here's what nobody tells you about Python: it's not just a programming language, it's a game changer. The real story is different from what you've been told. This is what matters for you. Python is easy to learn and can be used for various tasks, from data analysis to web development. You might have heard of Python, but do you know how it actually works? Let's break it down in simple terms. Imagine you're trying to build a house. You need a set of instructions to tell the builder what to do, right? That's basically what programming is: writing instructions for a computer to follow. Python is one of the most popular programming languages out there, and for good reason. It's like a Lego set, easy to assemble, and you can create anything you want. For example, let's say you want to build a simple calculator that adds two numbers together. In Python, you can write a few lines of code, and voila! You have a working calculator. Here's an example: print 2 plus 2 equals 2 plus 2. This will output 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. The real power of Python lies in its simplicity and flexibility. It's like a Swiss Army knife. You can use it for anything from data analysis to machine learning. But here's the thing: most people don't know how to harness this power. They get caught up in the hype and forget that Python is just a tool. The real story is different. This is what matters for you. Python can help you automate tasks, analyze data, and even build your own AI models. For instance, let's say you're a student and you want to analyze your grades. You can use Python to create a program that reads your grades from a spreadsheet and calculates your average. Or, if you're a business owner, you can use Python to analyze your sales data and predict future trends. The possibilities are endless. But why does this matter to you? Well, in today's world, technology is advancing at an incredible pace. If you don't know how to code, you're going to be left behind. By learning Python, you're not just learning a programming language, you're learning a skill that will serve you for the rest of your life. This is what matters for you. You'll be able to automate tasks, analyze data, and make informed decisions. For example, let's say you're a marketing manager, and you want to analyze your customer data. You can use Python to create a program that reads your customer data from a database and generates insights on customer behavior. This will help you make informed decisions about your marketing strategy. Now, let's talk about a real-world example. Google uses Python extensively in their operations. In fact, Google's founder, Larry Page, is a big fan of Python. He said that Python is one of the most important programming languages in the world. And it's not just Google. Companies like Facebook, Instagram, and Netflix also use Python. But here's the thing: these companies aren't just using Python for fun. They're using it to solve real-world problems. For instance, let's say you're a data scientist at Google, and you want to analyze user behavior on YouTube. You can use Python to create a program that reads user data from a database and generates insights on user behavior. This will help you optimize the YouTube algorithm and improve user experience. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get started with Python? The answer is simple: start with the basics. Learn the syntax, learn how to write simple programs, and then gradually move on to more complex tasks. And here's an actionable tip you can use today: download the Python interpreter on your computer and start playing around with it. Try writing a simple program, like a calculator or a game. This will help you get a feel for the language and understand how it works. As you progress, you can move on to more complex tasks, like data analysis or machine learning. The real story is different from what you've been told. This is what matters for you. By learning Python, you'll be able to unlock new possibilities and take your skills to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel, HumanOverAI, to learn more about Python and other programming languages. We'll be posting new videos every week, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.